Hey guys, welcome to another video. I want to share with you a very powerful lesson that I have learned after spending many years trying and failing in my online businesses. And that is this: nothing is free in this world. It means that whenever you spending time watching YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram reels, you are spending your time. And time is the most precious asset that a human being has in his or her life. So, whenever you are spending time scrolling social media feeds, watching videos, watching cat videos, or watching dancing videos on TikTok or any other platform, this is actually the thing that you are spending your time. So that content is not free. Yes, it seems like yes, YouTube is free, TikTok is free, Instagram is free, but you are spending time watching those videos. And on the flip side, what you can do that really drives your life and business, and what can potentially, give you freedom of time, location, and money, is that instead of watching those videos and having that instant gratification, you can create content. Just like I'm creating content right now, I'm sharing this amazing lesson that is so powerful that if you understand the value of time, you can have a lot of amazing things come to your life. You can have a lot of incredible ways in your way to impact the lives of a lot of people who are desperately looking for your advice, insights, and wisdom that you don't have. So, this is very powerful stuff that time is your greatest asset. So, if you're just starting on YouTube, let me tell you one thing that YouTube is not easy. It's not short-term game. It's a long-term game. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So you need to have commitment inside your head to keep going in the times, even if you have no views. No one is watching your videos, no one is engaging with your content, and you start to doubt yourself. You start believing that YouTube hates you, YouTube algorithm hates you. It's not like that. In the beginning, you have to keep posting valuable content and not just random content. You need to educate and inspire people, take action, do something different if they want different results. This is as simple as that. If you want different results in your life, if you want to change the current situation, if you want to solve the problem you're having right now, you need to take different and difficult actions. Watching videos is easy, creating videos is hard. Consuming content is easy, creating content is hard. So, if you want to change your life, if you want to have a bigger impact on the people, on the audience that you are going to serve, if you want to have life of freedom and abundance, then you need to absorb this. You need to adopt to this fact that nothing is free and the time is your most precious asset that is so valuable that you can't afford to waste that watching TikToks, watching cat videos, or watching random stuff online. So that is very important. That is a very powerful lesson that I have learned when I started my journey in digital marketing like 7 years ago. I made the same mistake. Did not realize at that time that every morning when I wake up, after performing my morning rituals, offering, my Fajr prayer, the first thing I used to do was open YouTube and watch a video. And after years of, failures, struggles, tears, fears, and moments of highs and lows, I realized that this is the habit of consuming content was the thing that was keeping me poor, that was keeping me de-energized. So I started thinking this way that instead of consuming content, the first thing that I should do in the morning is create content. Okay. When you start creating content, you are adding value to the lives of your audience. So this is very important. When you start adding value, when you start creating content that educates, inspires, and motivates people, only then you start to attract the right people. You start to attract the people who are, serious about changing their lives, who want to start a real business on YouTube, who want to, impact the lives of other people just like them, and who want to inspire their future generations to come so that they can have better lives, they can have freedom of time, money, and location, just like we want for ourselves and for our kids. So, this is really simple. Right now, I'm doing a morning walk after my Fajr prayer, and I'm creating content. It's just, my mobile phone and this hands free. Only two things I have, and I'm creating content. Okay, so this is very important. If you're just starting out on YouTube, make sure to internalize this fact that you need to be creating content whenever you are in your active state every single morning. Instead of watching videos, you need to create content. You need to add value to the platform on which you are posting your content. So, in case you are wondering who am I and why should you subscribe to my channel, myself Azeem Ahmad, an electrical engineer turned digital entrepreneur. And on this channel, I'm sharing everything I'm learning and doing to quit my 9 to 5 job and live the life on my own terms. Spend more time with my kids and family and do whatever I want and go to places whenever I like to. If that sounds interesting to you, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow along with me on this amazing ride from broke to freedom. So, see you.